went to say we got 6 down, 2 crystals. Also, we're gonna buy a Cavalier crystal, so we'll just get into that first. We're probably not gonna get anything. So my dog's gonna open these crystals. So Stanley. Oh, he did it! He touched his nose. He touched it with his nose. Wait, you get him, Jared? Say one. Oh, it's alright, Stan, because that's still good. That can be used for some mutant. So, you're the good boy. You are the good boy. I'll open the Nexus and then you open the other one, since yeah, because I need a torso. No, I'll pop them. Nice. Yes! Oh, yes! We got the torso, ladies and gentlemen. That's all I needed. My baby boy. Yes! Ladies and gentlemen, I am getting this on the camera because I love my doggy. He's done so much to me. Now this is it, Stan. It! Press it! Touch it with his nose. Yes! Oh my god, please tell me we got the dab. Ooh. Oh my god, I love you, Stan. Let me open this Nexus. We're covering it, guys. Let's hope this is the Rintra, the Awakening on Hercules. 1, the Overseer Defo 1. Thank you, Lord. You have done good. Ooh. We have a 5 and a 6 star to open. Stanley, you open my precious 5-star. I see. Aegon! Give me Aegon. That's right, give me Aegon. Look at it. No, look at it. Oh, brushing it with his nose. He keeps brushing it with his nose. Let's get one. Ah! That's even better! Dragon! Ooh! My boy! My poopsikins! Look at you got me! Oh my god, you are the best, Dan. Now, you must open the precious, the almighty 6-star. Give me a Doom, a Sandman, or a Scorpio, or I will Scorpio. Yeah, I touched it with his nose. Come on. Let's get one. Yes, Diablo! The almighty king of the poison. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, and we will see you next time. Say bye, Stan.